Hello there, this is Marcia. Welcome back to Markets of Sunshine. So I hope you're having a great day, and today I'm going to share with you what we're going to make today. Okay, so this is a cute little fall theme Velcro pouch. Okay, so I'm going to show you. This is what it looks like. Okay, but I haven't sewn down the sides here yet. So to do that, all we simply are going to do is we're going to reverse it like this, and then sew down this side, and then we'll turn it around, okay? So let's just do that real quick, and then we'll show you what we're going to do. This is going to go in the Happy Mail binder that I'm working on. So this is the video number 6 in the series of Handmade Gift Guide Craft Show Ideas for 2020. Turn around. Turn on the sewing machine. Okay. First I have to turn on the power to the sewing machine, which is down here. Okay. And yes, I use something very technical, my foot, to get the little light to come on. Ouch. Okay, so that was my entertainment for the day. I hope you got a good kick out of that. Alright, so now what we're going to do, we're going to take it and we're going to turn it around. And we're going to sew down these sides, and I'm going to show you just how quick and easy it is to make a Velcro pouch to go into your Happy Mail binder. Put it on straight stitch, which is 01. This is a Brother Project Runway sewing machine, limited edition. And let me see, I think I will turn it, I don't know, do I want to turn it this way and do it or that way? Let me see. So the Velcro's right here, which it's going to be okay, we'll still be able to do it. But I want to go right up against the Velcro, which you'll see in a minute. I'll show you that before I turn it. Okay, perfect. Make sure the thread is straight out the back. And you're just going to have to put a little bit of pressure because you've got the two pieces of Velcro, so it's a little bit of a lump. Looks like I'm getting ready to run out of bobbin. Okay, but I'll show you the one side. Snip off the threads. Okay, so here you see it. So just that quick and easy, so the other side is still open. But then what we'll do, okay, let me back off here so you can see it, is just turn it inside out just like this. And what I like to do first, okay, see this little bit of a corner? Alright, so here's the thread. You don't want to cut through that, but just snip off at an angle. Okay, don't cut through your stitching. Okay, so now when you turn it around, just poke your finger in there. Okay, and then you can see in here, I wanted to show you all this. Alright, so even with the felt, so this is a felt lining. I don't have interfacing, so I just use felt. And then it gives it a beautiful finish inside and out. Alright, so I will show you how we're going to make the one for our Happy Mail binder. And all I did, which you can take pinking shears, is I just put the fabric right on top, trimmed it down even with the felt, and decided what size pouch I wanted to have to begin with. And that's all you need to do. So you don't have to fold the ends under, you don't have to sew any of this, you know, to hide the edges. And depending on your fabric, so maybe some fabrics you might have to do that because it may give you a fraying, you know. So if it does that, just use your pinking shears. So there you have it. So I'll finish this up, and but I just wanted to show you too, this is going to be like a show and tell kind of a thing. So we're going to make a fabric pouch just like this, but I just wanted to show you just how quick and easy it is to do that. So I'm going to show you the other products that I've made before that we will be making on camera. So this is just a book journal cover. So you could use it to cover our pre-purchased, pre-made, you know, from the store, or one that you've made, either way. And so I just put this decorative ribbon down the spine here. But again, it's so easy to do, and you just take your one big piece of fabric, fold it over to make the two pockets for your cover, and you just, you know, go by the size. So we'll be making one of these. So this is coming up in an upcoming video. Okay, and these are cute little mug rugs. Real quick and easy. So you just take an applique quilt block. So this was an applique that I had purchased from a seller off of Etsy. I didn't cut this one out myself. And then I just purchased that, and then I appliqued it on, put the fusible webbing on the back, and then put it on a fabric square, put the felt on the back again. I'm a big believer in using felt. And then put ribbon, came around here with ribbon. Okay, that was just that quick and easy. And made a cute little mug rug. Isn't that adorable? Just precious. And it's so easy to do. And so if you're not good at applique, cutting it out and all that, but just buy it off of Etsy. You can get these for just a few dollars. People sell those very inexpensively. And then you just take your own fabric and your felt, and again you sew the same thing. It's just like I did, you know, and it gives it that country, you know, and if this starts fraying a little bit, it just gives that country shabby look. So we're going to make one of those. Okay, these are just little drawstring bags made out of muslin, and I just took a stamp set I purchased for Florida, so it says I love you to Florida and back, and then put the hearts, and I have a little star stamp, and of course Florida, we're known for citrus and palm trees, so that's what I put on there. These are very easy to make. And then this set here, this is an album, okay, with a wedding theme. So these are some of the gifts that you can get in my Etsy shop or buy for someone else. Okay, it has a Velcro closure. You open it up, and now here's the little album inside. It's already, so it's attached to the case. I make them where it slips in and out of the case, but this one is attached to the case. Okay, so then this has a little flip out here, and this is a little gift card can go in here, or a tea bag. And then it flips out here, you open it up, and it says, "You're pretty much my most favorite ever." So this, of course, is for a wedding. And then this flips out here. So this is for a couple. You could give it for an anniversary. It says beauty. And then here's a little pocket here, and I just put a couple little journaling cards inside of that. So this opens up here. This is for photo. These are both for photos. And then it flips out again, and then here's a waterfall. So here's a pocket here, opens up, you have writing here, flips up a little bit, you can have a little tuck spot here, okay? And then it could put another photo over here. And then it closes, and you have the Velcro closure, and then I made this flower, and I can show you how quick and easy it is to make one of those. Okay, so that is a nice little gift, and we'll make up one of those. And it's available for sale in my Etsy shop. So if you would like this one, just let me know. And you can head over to my Etsy shop. It's in the description below, www.marketsofsunshine.store. Okay, and then this is a beautiful blue album that I made. So it says, "Be Curious." So I made this little fabric snippet roll. I just cut out pieces from different fabrics that I had, and it already had those words on it. And I took a doily and some burlap leaves. I made this flower right here out of eyelet and muslin. And then this is a vintage button that I covered with paper. And then this was a leaf that was from a pack that I had purchased. So then when you open it up, there's a pocket here, and then I put a handmade envelope in here, and then I just took book pages, vintage book pages that had to do with outdoor nature themes, and then this is a word find page, and this is on the back of an envelope that I put in here with a pocket with some more little embellishments in the pocket. Let's see if I can slide these out of here. It's gotten a little tight. Okay, so that's tight in here. So there's just more little spots for journaling in there. So here's some papers here, some different pages. So for bird lovers, it definitely has a bird lover theme. So again, this one is available in my Etsy shop. Okay, another pocket here. And I made this from a file folder. So we'll be making one of these on camera together. Okay, so I just wanted to show you all of the different things that we will be making together. So here's the same album that I showed you a minute ago that was with the white anniversary wedding theme. So this is obviously in a woodland theme. So this is the separate case. So this one, instead of it being attached inside, which would have gone this way, and I had it glued down here. So now that's the little case for it. And then when you open it up, get it going the right direction. Okay, so it's beautiful fall themed paper here on the outside. This was all from Stampin' Up, and it's discontinued. So this says Be Clever. Here's the same little flip out pocket. Okay, so you open it up. This opens up, but I did it a little bit different, as you can see. So I have a pocket here. This is for a photo. Here's another pocket. Here's the waterfall here now. Okay, so you can put anything that they want there. And then these fold back in together. This closes, and then this says Be Curious. So this says Be Clever. This says Be Curious. And then all the cute little pockets and photo spots, and then it comes back in here, and it's closed. And then I'm just going to take a ribbon and close it with a ribbon. Okay, so we'll be making one of these. So I just wanted to show you today and share today and say hello, and just let you know these were the things that we're going to be making in the future together on my channel here. So if you would like to join my little community, I would love to have you be a part of it. And when I reach 200 subscribers, we'll be doing our second giveaway for 2 $10 credits to both of my Etsy shops, one for Markets of Sunshine, which is all these handmade products, and one for Pioneer Fundraiser, which is the vintage gifts and supplies. So this is another little idea that I have that we're going to make on the channel. Okay, and this is a cute little accordion flower. I make these, and then this is just made from a 12 by 12 cardstock and washi tape, and then little sentiments, and then a pocket here on the back. Isn't that cute? Just adorable. And then what I like to put inside of these are my cash envelope wallets. So you can find these in my Etsy shop. And they're laminated, the cardstock, all hand stitched. Okay, so these are available, and then the wallet itself has a snap closure. And then I laminate this so that it won't ever soil, and they'll always stay pretty and clean and shiny just like you see it now. And then these fit right inside of here. Okay? Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this little video today, and I will show you in video number 7 how we'll make some of these things. Okay, so I'll pick out one of these to decide which one is going to go into my friend's Happy Mail binder, and then we'll make that together on camera. Okay, so we'll see what we're going to make today. I don't know what that will be. That might be this flower, just as an embellishment. So you'll just have to come back and see what it's going to be. All right? So thank you very much for being here with me today, and I will see you in video number 7. Bye-bye.